Sew with ease on the JUKI HZL-35Z mechanical sewing machine. Easy operation, advanced features packed into an economical machine. With 27 stitch patterns, including an automatic buttonhole, the 35Z is sure to become a sewing room favorite. Need to get into tight places like cuffs, collars, or pant legs? No problem, just remove the accessory storage case to expose the free arm. The 35Z has a superior 7-point feed dog system so that any fabric, thick or thin, can be sewn with ease. Want a free motion quilt, thread paint, or just tack fabric in place? The 35Z is there to lend a helping hand. Just remove the accessory tray, drop the feed dogs, and the 35Z is ready to go. Create perfect patchwork. The 35Z allows you to sew perfect seams for any project, including patchwork. No more frayed edges. The 35Z can overcast fabric edges even for knits. Just attach the special overcast foot and create professional-looking edges on any project. The snap-on presser feet make changing from one foot to another, well, a snap. Create charming heirloom decorative techniques like narrow tucks with the adjustable blind hem foot. Tucks come out even and perfect every time. Keep it all looking great by locking the stitching at the beginning or end of sewing with the reverse lever. Add a little more color to your life. Just pick your thread color and use the handy automatic needle threader. Your needle is threaded in a flash and you're ready to sew. Any color, anytime. The 35Z is one versatile little machine. Not only does it perform practical sewing with ease, it can embellish any project. Add decorative borders using the built-in satin, smocking, or decorative stitches. With 27 stitch patterns to select from, you can be as creative as you desire. Add as much pizzazz to your sewing as you want. Just select the stitch using the stitch pattern dial. The selected pattern will show on the stitch panel on the machine. Create your own unique look by quickly changing stitch width and stitch lengths. The 35Z has a stitch width of 0 to 7 millimeters and a stitch length of 0 to 4 millimeters. With the turn of the dial, a simple zigzag stitching becomes a wonderful border or applique stitch. Create designer borders by combining rows of different patterns. Create interesting effects by adjusting the stitch width or stitch length. Use scallop stitching to add old-fashioned charm. Use the arrowhead pattern to add some drama. Even the saddle stitch and zigzag stitch can add fashionable designer touches to any project. With so many patterns to choose from, you'll never run out of creative options. Easily add buttonholes to any item using the automatic buttonhole pattern. Just attach the snap-on buttonhole foot, drop the button into the foot, and begin sewing away. The 35Z never tires of making perfect buttonholes anytime you need them. The JUKI HZL-35Z 27 stitch patterns, drop feed, free arm sewing, and automatic needle threading. Sure to become a sewing room favorite.